safe proposal. The safe proposal at the end is people organized in functional silos versus people organized in value streams or arcs. Remember, art is a synonym, well, the abbreviation of agile release training. So the idea what SAFE is proposing is instead of creating all these silos, let's try to define the arcs. And the people will be persistent. The people will be there because what we need is really that all the team works pretty well together. And that will take time, right? To create high performance teams really is not that you just put it pieces right to the table. Really will take time in order to accommodate a good team. Okay, the other thing that is proposing SAFE for managing your portfolio, it's again changing this concept of projects. I think SAFE just mention here projects, but if you see SAFE, they don't mention projects at all. It's basically they want to remove that word. What they are looking more is, okay, instead of funding projects, what I'm going to do, what we can do is to funding the development, the value streams. The value streams directly. And I know that the question is, the next question, well, yes, but how do we control, right? How do we control, how do we control these value streams that really are providing value? Well, that is the reason of the budget guardrails. That is important to define all these, let's say, boundaries, are like a boundaries, right? That will help you in order to be faster. Remember, faster is always what we are looking for, but faster with quality. That is the other thing that is also different, right? The next thing that SAFE propose is instead of having this annual planning, better to have what they call it rolling wave planning. But and this, let's say this planning can be done each 3 months, for instance, and in that moment, you can change or adapt the budgets. Now, because I know that maybe we say that maybe the people from finance didn't like this, but the point here is that we are not looking for increase the overall budget, right? What we are looking here is more about with that, let's say, constraint of the total budget, we can accommodate and we review each 3 months to see if really we are providing, if really the budget continues the same or will change, right? And I think that is a key message here. A key message here, and definitely this can be done. And in that way, really we will take care better of the funding in that way. The other thing, if you remember, one of the concepts of agility is to limit the work in progress, right? It's that is something that is important for the people who are familiar with Kanban, because at the end, it doesn't matter how much work in process do you have. What it matters is the throughput. What it matters is really what you are delivering to your customer. So that is important.